If your Google Chrome is taking a lot of resources, I'll just open the task manager for you and we will see if the Google Chrome is running and it's taking a lot of space in your computer, the memory usage is very high. Even if it's not opened, you can stop the background of Google Chrome. So here, once the Google Chrome is opened, at the top right corner, click on the three dots and then go to settings. And once we click on settings, we need to go to the system and then we just need to turn off continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This will be very helpful and very handy if it's turned on. Just turn it off and you will see a very drastic change as far as the usage is concerned. You can do let me know in the comment section whether it's helpful or not. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day and please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. Take care.